Hello, my name is Nick Quinn.
And I'm Shane Vernier.
And I'm Connor Woods. We are the market analyst team at howtotrade.com, and together we're going to explain everything you need to know about trading the diamond chart pattern. So let's get started.
Widely considered a reversal pattern, a diamond can act as both bullish and bearish signals in the price action. They're slightly more common at the top of uptrends, but they do also occur at the bottom of downtrends. They get their name from the shape that they create as the market volatility expands and then contracts before the actual reversal. So let's take a look at exactly what we need to see to identify them properly in the price action. So this is basically what a diamond pattern actually looks like in the price action. As we said right at the very start, they are more common as reversal signals at the top of uptrends than they are at the bottom of uptrends. And the key points to remember when identifying a diamond properly is that what we need to do is we need to connect the trend lines with the subsequent swing highs that get created right at the top of the market. And then as that then develops, we then get this expansion here where the swing lows start to expand to the downside. Now, it can be quite difficult from this point to know that it is actually a diamond pattern, and you only really get confirmation once that expansion of volatility has then started to contract at the other side. Now, just remember exactly what's happening here. What's happening is that as the market has trended higher, profit is coming back out of the market, or losses are being taken back out of the market, and the price action is now starting to expand out because it's becoming more volatile, because the market is thinning out. What happens from there, once we've reached this maximum point of this final swing high before it then starts to contract, is new money starts to come back into the market on the other side, and that's what creates the subsequent contraction down. So there's those final two trend lines that as we connect those swing highs and swing lows, that is the final stage, and you're not really going to know that it actually is a diamond until those very, very late stages. So it's one of those patterns that does not tell us that it's actually fully formed, so right at the very, very, very end. So from there, what you'd be looking for is a reversal. You'd be looking to trade a break to the downside in all kinds of different ways with candles or other indicators as well. But that is the basic way that we would identify a diamond in price action.
So let's have a look at an example on how we can trade this diamond chart pattern. It is fairly simple to trade the markets using it's either the diamond bottom or the diamond top formation. All you need to do is locate that market entry, your stop loss, and really select a viable profit target. So here we have the markets in front of us right now. If I get my drawings on the chart, we can see we've got this bullish price action coming in, and you can see now we've got that diamond top formation forming. Now, before we actually trade this again, we want to wait for that breakout candle, which you can see that we get here. So what you potentially could do is short the market at that breakout candle, and normally people put their stop loss above the top of this double top formation. And you can see that if you targeted maybe this wick below here or wicks along the way, we would have got a nice, for example, a 1.8 risk reward trade, and actually unlock something like 2.42 risk reward trade, which would have been a fantastic trading opportunity. Some people as well may want to lower their stop loss to put it just above the most obvious wick that we see, but generally speaking, we've got it above the top of that diamond top, and it's just vice versa for the double bottom. So here is an example, and that's exactly how we trade it.
Here are the key pros and cons for the diamond chart pattern. Under the pros side of the ledger, the pattern frequently occurs in all Forex pairs on all time frames. It offers buy and sell market entries, so if you're trading the diamond chart pattern, you can go long or short the market. Lastly, the pattern works well with reversal trading strategies, so you have an opportunity to get in early on a fresh trend on the pending reversal of an old trend. Now, on the con side of the ledger, the diamond chart pattern can be difficult to construct. It takes a little bit of experience to get good at recognizing the diamond chart pattern. Also, the pattern loses its efficacy on shorter time frames. So if you're an intraday trader trading 1 minute or 5 minute charts, you may find trading the diamond chart pattern successfully a real challenge. And lastly, it may produce false signals. These typically occur during flat markets where price action is choppy and whipsaw. Now, let's review some of the key takeaways from the diamond chart pattern. Number one, diamond patterns are constructed of two support and resistance lines. They occur amid uptrends and downtrends. Number 2, a diamond top is a bearish indicator that produces a selling opportunity. A diamond bottom is a bullish indicator that produces a buying opportunity. Number 3, diamond pattern trading is straightforward. Market entry consists of buying above a bullish diamond or selling below a bearish diamond. Stop losses are located above a bearish diamond and below a bullish diamond. Profit targets may be placed according to the pattern's height or standard risk versus reward ratios. Now, if you want to learn more about the diamond chart pattern, be sure to check out the How to Trade Trading Academy inside our trading room. There, you'll find a longer form tutorial where we'll show you how to fit diamonds into your own trading methodology. We'll then demonstrate how to take that plan and trade it against real market price action. You'll have everything you need to gain valuable market experience. And once you're ready, feel free to join our How to Trade Funded Trader program.